Arquivo Museu Resistência Timorense.
A eficácia radica na sua tradição guerreira e em dons culturais reforçados
para ver se não desapareceria nada social. Para ver se não desapareceria nada social.
Ihaduni op walaran Ihaon yang moristoma O isin horan hakarak magli berdadi Jalan nebeo hakat Jalani damat tenian Maski ohatenela nesusar lius Opoan hodia seru Nehotu tandet liberdadi Hasoru tandet olakoi Beri sopresanya larat Nehi tahatu mehi Hakarak moris liberdadi Mati tamate mohu Timorukun Mati tamate mohu Timorukun Mati tamate mohu Timorukun
Dorong bom sira hamutu fale hau ia programa Liamba Liberdade. Programa ne serviço hamutu entre Arquivo Museu Resistência Timorense o RTTL-EP. Mano ouvintes, ia lorong oi especial teves mai ia Arquivo Museu Resistência Timorense. Tambah itu se conta lia konaba interfet tama ia Timor-Leste. Tamane ia no studio ia emane rua banyak spesialida. Hane sa itu tatane kata tempo naba ia fotografi nebe maka viral ia media sosial. Interfet ida adis liman ho itania oan itni aling nebe ia tempo neba. Atu hatene litang serne mai acompanham ami sida dali hamutu ho sirane rua. Bem-vindo, Senhor Leandro, Ale Leandro. Welcome, Mr. Martin Ray. How is your trip from Australia to Timor-Leste?
It has been absolutely fantastic.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Okay. Ami akan urus aling. Kita tuh tadi kata ke tempo neba interfet nama kita buat sudah foto nih viral dia ya. Ini sosial interfet itu konsep Carly mau interfet. Karena kita boleh atau unsa ya tempo neba nih kita buatnya vida mursnya di sana be tempo neba.
Okay, obrigado. Antes ita ser humano mal interpret, bangira tun mai usi ailaran. Ada tahu lah lembra me beti mai ser tun ailaran. Grupo amia asal labarit. Mes babai laba mai bangira bailoro. Laba mai halima o colega sira. Ana sang nede o familia. Bangira terona interpretun mai be ana sang ita kikuan laten informasi rumah darom interpret atau tung kala ini itlah laten. Iha salorong ida derpeti ba tur ho familia sira tur ya umoi kareta ka nene bari sai mai itlah tene sema sai mai be mau sira ana sa familia sira sinti contente hakilar ba hanya mambot sinti hakilar contente wanira hala interpret itlah tene asa ita kikuang nene la iha hamidan oh ya
tempo na ita tinang ida di tinang gira mana
mau nen ba hitu ya tempo ne masih.
Itu laten ini. Bapak sih main, interpret main laten.
Mas asa família sira hatene também dare botun sira hatene sira sente contente ansa hau la ihar yang reaction atau hakilar so tambah la dumbe comprendere interpret sira mai. Ida nemak ba.
Oke.
Sente ba.
Oke. Saya minta main karena buat mahir interpret tamai na ba. Ida tene kata situação em tempo ni kan situação dia maka se la dum dia ke. Session uma ou session lipton. Ita sente sana dia tempo.
Wan hira ane interpret sira serok main kan ita tambah situação mas ne lalu masih tahu mai wan hira interpret sira maiona itlava mai livre asa ina naman mos ita latlao dok ituan la iha ona bando dehan lalika bane ba tanpa situação ita belen 100% seguro hak mate ba hasa ita labari mos lava mai lahir problema itu memang
tempo di ba sin tahu galai tempo di ba.
Sim, tahu kia. Hanes ami nya grupo wang hira hanes sang depois de interpret mamai, ami atividade ne hanes sang be dader to lorai ou dalam rumah mesti wang sana kukun itu ami sempre heng malah interpret sira. Karek ami rona malah interpret sira saya mai ami Luis Estrada, ami rona sira sa Luis Estrada, ami sempre halai ba Estrada ou tambah ia interpret barak balun-balun ini kan gosta suara avisado tu ba Estrada, fahel sirnya be latarias ka balun ita seki ko anjira idane hetang ona idane pur maine ita hakara hetang heladet antong anjira rona interpret sira saya mal halai ba Estrada
Bahu bersih nanti kan apa?
Okay. Iya balu la halai lidet.
Okay. Yeah, kalau saya pakai kenya bilang So thank you Mr. Martin for your time to Studio of Archivo Museum Resistencia. We just want to know to share about the history about Interfaith when you joined with Interfaith. So I just want to ask you, can you tell us about little bit experience in the Interfaith talks at the time?
Look, it was a time I think for everybody of confusion, and as a soldier, I'd been a soldier for 15 years. Mm-hmm. This was my first major operation overseas.
Okay.
But luckily I had 15 years experience in the army, and I was privileged to be selected to come to Timor and work with the brigade headquarters, and I also had the opportunity to travel. And I was very proud of the Australian soldiers, all the soldiers, because they worked very hard in very, very bad conditions, but never as bad as what I observed the East Timorese people were working with. You know what I mean? The resilience that I saw, the pride in their country, it stayed with me for a very long time.
Okay. So, what motivated that you joined with Interfaith Mission in Timor-Leste?
Well, I had worked overseas with some Indonesian soldiers many years before, and the army put me on a language course to learn Bahasa. And in 10 years, I never saw one Indonesian soldier. So I never practiced. But the army still thinks I can talk Bahasa. So they sent me to Townsville, and I deployed with the brigade headquarters with them to support them.
Okay. So at the time, what do you think about the situation at the time? What do you think about that?
Personally, I know that politics plays a lot. I always thought when we came in too late, because I saw the atrocities, I saw the results, and in my heart I wish we had turned up earlier. I know it's not possible, but I will always wish that, you know, but yeah.
Okay, so your duty in Swai, right, at the time?
Yes.
So how is the people in Swai? The reaction that when Interfaith arrived in Swai?
Oh, the people, fantastic. The children, is the smiles after all that ordeal. The smiles never faltered. You know what I mean? The town was destroyed. There was no roofs. There was burnt out buildings, and yet the people came back and started to rebuild straight away. You know, so I was proud to be part of that.
Okay. So as we know that in social media that the viral of your picture, you take picture with the children in front of us. So can you please tell us about that story? how come that you get the picture with the kids at the time?
Well, I was escorting a photographer, an army photographer. His name was Sergeant Gary Ramage, around the cathedral and the church, and he found that the writing on the wall, and he said, "Oh, well, let's take a photograph." And Leandro was there, so we kidnapped him. And he took the photograph. I did not realise 25 years later what that photograph would mean. You know? But as far as I'm concerned, Leandro represented every child in East Timor, you know, for that photograph.
Yeah.
And it's special.
So for you, it's one of the biggest story that your life during that year.
Oh yes. Yes, it's it's an honour and a privilege for that photo, for me, for that photo to be recognised as it is. It hangs in my office. I have it on the wall as a reminder every day.
Okay. Before we continue the next question, we have to break and then we will continue again. Ya, Marusira, antes ita continua ba programa segmen turmai, ita acompanha la publicidade turmai.